3M Liqui-Flux W Series Ultrafiltration Modules. Advanced membrane technology for sustained performance. Restoring water for reuse, even when contamination levels fluctuate. Reliable for tough filtration applications, such as total suspended solids, biological oxygen demands, or fats and oils. Pre-treating water for reverse osmosis. 3M Liqui-Flux Ultrafiltration modules consist of a structured membrane arrangement inside a 12-inch housing. This design provides well-defined liquid flow hydrodynamics and long-term durability for effective physical cleaning performance. Ultra PES polyether sulfone capillary membrane is the heart of 3M Liqui-Flux membrane modules. There is a protection layer to help safeguard membrane structure and integrity. A porous support layer lends mechanical strength to the separation layer. The asymmetric structure, designed for high permeability with excellent retention. High permeability means high flow volumes with low transmembrane pressure, leading to energy cost savings. Liqui-Flux membrane exhibits hydrophilic characteristics, which means reduced fouling potential. Plus, its high caustic resistance and free chlorine tolerance allow Liqui-Flux modules to operate at pH values between 1 and 13. These membranes efficiently separate out microorganisms, suspended solids, and other contaminants. Ultra PES membrane are stabilized by multi-fiber PET technology. The robust PET yarn acts as a spacer and is interlaced around groups of hollow fiber membranes for improved flush water access, additional mechanical strength, and reduced flexing during backwashing. The special module design is optimized for favorable hydrodynamic conditions during the backwash procedure, enabling excellent physical cleaning performance. The introduction of backwash water through a narrowing annular channel ensures a uniform pressure distribution and excellent physical cleaning performance. No O-ring seal is required to separate the feed from the filtrate side, reducing the potential for microbiological cross-contamination. Ultrafiltration can reduce the amount of chemicals needed for disinfection and improve effluent quality of wastewater. Our 3M Liqui-Flux Ultrafiltration modules help deliver pure, uninterrupted water supply at low total water cost by providing design and operating flexibility and sustained reliable performance, even under changing and challenging water qualities. Connect with an expert today. 3m.com/liquifluxwater.